Mustang GT versus Camaro SS, the ultimate muscle car battle. Today, two American legends go head-to-head. On one side, the iconic Ford Mustang GT, aggressive, loud, and born for the open road. On the other side, the powerful Chevrolet Camaro SS, sharp, muscular, and built to dominate. This is the ultimate muscle car showdown. Mustang GT versus Camaro SS. Who wins? Let's find out. Design and road presence. Let's start with design. The Mustang GT brings a modern yet classic look. Wide stance, sharp LED headlights, and a front grille that screams aggression. The 2025 GT has smoother aerodynamics and a more futuristic taillight design, giving it a bold and modern vibe. Meanwhile, the Camaro SS maintains its signature low-slung, muscular silhouette. Its front end looks sharp and sporty, with sculpted lines that make it feel like a track-ready machine. The Camaro still feels like a car designed for pure speed. In terms of road presence, Mustang feels iconic. Camaro feels intimidating. Which one you prefer depends on your taste. Engine and performance. Now let's talk about what really matters: power. Under the hood, the 2025 Mustang GT packs a 5.0-liter Coyote V8, pushing around 480 horsepower. It revs high, sounds incredible, and delivers that classic muscle car punch. You also get selectable drive modes, launch control, and quick shifting transmission options. The Camaro SS brings its famous 6.2-liter LT 1V8, delivering around 455 horsepower. What the Camaro lacks slightly in horsepower, it makes up for with brutal low-end torque and razor-sharp throttle response. On a straight line, the SS stays dangerously close to the Mustang. Mustang equals higher horsepower. Camaro equals stronger torque plus lighter feel on the road. Mustang feels like a wild horse. Camaro feels like a laser-focused missile. Handling and drive. Feel. Handling is where these two muscle cars truly separate. The Mustang GT has improved suspension, better weight distribution, and a more stable cornering feel. It's surprisingly smooth on daily roads and confident on twisty turns. The Camaro SS, however, is a handling monster. The chassis sits low, the steering is extremely precise, and the car grips the road like it's glued to it. Camaro feels closer to a sports car. Mustang feels like a modern muscle car with comfort. If you love cornering and track days, Camaro SS wins. If you want a balanced mix of performance and comfort, Mustang GT takes the crown. Interior and technology. Inside the cabins, both cars bring their own personality. The 2025 Mustang GT comes with a fully digital cockpit, a massive 13.2-inch touchscreen, customizable gauges, advanced driving modes, and modern tech everywhere. The interior feels fresh and futuristic. The Camaro SS keeps things simpler. Driver-focused controls, sporty seating position, and a compact cabin that makes you feel like you're inside a race car. The visibility isn't great, but the driving position is perfect for enthusiasts. Tech lovers will prefer the Mustang. Purists will lean toward the Camaro. Sound and exhaust note. Now the best part, the sound. The Mustang GT roars with a classic American V8 scream. High revs, crackles, pops, pure nostalgia. The Camaro SS gives a deeper, throatier growl. It feels heavier, angrier, and more brutal. Mustang equals sharp and high-pitched. Camaro equals deep and thunderous. Honestly, no one loses in the sound department. Daily use and practicality. For daily driving, the Mustang GT offers better cabin space, a softer ride, and bigger screens. It's easier to live with. The Camaro SS, while incredibly fun, has limited rear visibility and a tighter interior. It's more of a weekend thrill machine. If you want comfort plus performance, Mustang. If you want pure driving excitement, Camaro. Verdict: which one wins? So, Mustang GT versus Camaro SS. Who wins? If you want a modern muscle car loaded with tech, comfort, and strong horsepower, the Mustang GT is your winner. If you want raw performance, sharp handling, and a car that feels like a true driver's machine, the Camaro SS still rules the track. In the end, the best car is the one that matches your personality. Which one are you choosing, Mustang or Camaro? Comment below.